In this video, we'll show you how to claim a loss on your investments, specifically using a net capital loss from a previous year to reduce your capital gains this year. This process is the same in both TurboTax Online and TurboTax CD or download software versions. If you haven't already completed filling out your profile and income summary sections, make sure you do so before beginning this process. To claim your losses in TurboTax Online, skip ahead to the Losses section by clicking on the magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner and typing Losses into the search bar. Select Losses from the list of populated results, then click Go. On the Your Losses Profile for 2020 page, select the box for Net Capital Loss Carry Forward, then click on Continue. Fill out all the fields on the next page using the information from your Notice of Assessment, then click Continue. If there are any applicable fields to be filled out on the next page, net capital losses being claimed, enter in those amounts and then click Continue. Fill out your inclusion rate, if applicable, on the next page, then select Continue. Once completed, you will be taken to the Deduction Summary step, where you will see your losses listed under the Net Income section of the page. For more answers to your tax questions and to browse through other useful tax tips, visit our online help community at turbotax.ca/support.